Right, it is late night here at the apartment, and I recently received a set of Guyot Design squishy bowls. This is the cup. The bowl is a little bit larger. This is about 6 to 8 ounces. The bowl is about 16 ounces, and this is the review. What I'm going to do is I have my old metal cup, and I'm going to A/B these things. I'm making hot chocolate. I have water boiling right now. It's actually ready. I'm going to set these down. And I have, I'm going to mix them up, and we're going to see which one, how they perform. This is my pot of hot water, and let me grab this. Alright, as you can see, there's hot chocolate in there. One of my favorite drinks out on the trail. And alright, there we go. Now, here we go. With the squishy bowl, first of all, this water was just boiling, so it is good and freaking hot. It is really hot. And mix it up with a skewer and a metal cup, and mix it up. This is going to be really strong because it's one package each in each cup, and they're both about the same size. I've been using this cup for probably 6-7 years out on the trail, and it's served me well for a nightcap. I'm going to take a drink out of it. Wow, this is hot. I'm not sure if I can get this drink. Very tasty. Now the squishy bowl. The squishy bowl, it will squish down to virtually nothing, which is really nice. The metal cup I can't hold on the sides because it's made of stainless steel and it is hot. Tasty. I haven't gotten a chance to use the squishy bowl and squishy cup out on the trail yet. That probably won't come for a few more months, but I can't wait to try. I think this metal cup is going to be relegated for around the house, because the squishy bowl keeps my hands warm, but it doesn't burn them. It keeps them protected really well. So that's it. The squishy bowls and squishy cup definitely get the family full of opinions seal of approval. Thanks.